Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to promote CPA offers. Actually, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic for CPA marketing. And don't worry, it is nothing complicated, it is nothing hard. You can do this even if you're a beginner. And literally only thing that you need to invest is time and work. And that's it. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, you can apply this method on Max Bounty, on CPA Grip, on CPA Build or any other CPA affiliate network. But for this purpose, I'm going to use CPA Lead. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and here I can see all the available CPA offers on CPA Lead. So let's say I wish to promote offer related to iPhone. So what I need to do, here in search bar, I can simply type iPhone. Okay, iPhone. And here I can see all the iPhone related offers. So let's say I wish to promote this one here, win the new iPhone 14. Now that is a hot offer, and here you can see that is actually for Great Britain or United Kingdom, and I can earn 82 cents per every email submit. So when I click here, I can get more information about this offer. Like I said, here you can see I can earn 82 cents for every email submit. Here you can see register plus complete the survey. Now that is really important, so please pay close attention on that. You can see country United Kingdom, which means I only need to send traffic from United Kingdom. If I send traffic from some other country, I won't get paid, okay? That is important. Here I can see my preview link. That is what I like about CPA Lead. So when I actually highlight this and click here, open in new tab, I can actually see a landing page, a sales page of the CPA offer. And this is how it looks. It's not the best sales page, but it is okay. Okay, and you can actually take a screenshot of this and use it later to promote it. But I won't do that, so I will actually close this. And here you can see your CPA Lead, in this case, affiliate link. And guys, this is really important, so please pay close attention. Here you can see the rules for this offer. So please read the rules for this offer. I say that very often, but people, for some reason, they don't read the rules. Please read these rules here, okay? So now I have my CPA Lead offer, and now I need to start promoting my CPA offer. So what I actually need to do, I actually need to make a bridge page, because many of the companies, many of the websites, they don't actually like CPA offers. Now you can make that bridge page in Kartra, in ClickFunnels, in builderallsystem.io or any other website builder. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for that. So I will actually show you how to make that bridge page in Google Sites. Google Sites is 100% free, so it will cost you no money. So all you have to do is just come here on Google Sites and log in with your Gmail account. And then click here on blank because you wish to create a new one-page website, okay? So let me just click here. And now I actually need to add title to my website, so I can simply go back on this offer, scroll here, and I can simply copy this. Control C, go back here, and I can double click here, okay? And I'm going to paste that here. And I will actually make this bigger to be, let's say 30, for example. And I will choose actually to color to be white, okay? And now it is white, so I will actually make this even bigger. So let me just choose, let's say 48, for example, and I will make this wider, okay? Bit wider like this. And now it is wider. And actually I'm going to add a photo, background photo here in the header. So click here on change image, click here upload. And this is the photo that I wish to add. Now you can find royalty-free photos on Unsplash, Pixabay or Pexels. And please use royalty-free photos, okay? And this is how this looks. And now I actually need to add a text. I need to add something about my offer. So double click here and then click here on this T for text. Now I already prepared that, so I will simply copy this, okay, Control C, go back on Google Sites, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And I will actually make this bit larger because it is too small. Let's say, for example, 14, okay? Now it is better, okay? And here you can see how this looks. And now I need to add my call to action. And then what I need to do, I need to double click here and then click here on upload. And I actually need to upload this. Enter now, because you can see here, just scroll below and hard push the enter now button. So this is the button, and I will actually move it here. And I'm going to actually make this button even larger, just like this, okay? And a bit wider, okay? And move it here, okay? And now what I need to do, I need to click here, and then I need to click here on this little chain, and here I need to add my CPA Lead affiliate link. So I will go back here, and I'm going to copy this because this is my CPA Lead affiliate link. I'm going to paste that here, click apply, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. So when someone click here, it will take them to the sales page of this CPA offer, and if they register and complete the survey, I am going to earn 82 cents. Okay, so what you can do is you can simply click here to preview to see how your page will look like. Okay, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is a really big call to action. They cannot miss this button, and that is really important. So all you have to do now is just click here on publish, and here you need to choose domain. So let's just say iPhone 14 to see is it available. Okay, it is available. So all I have to do now is just click here on publish, give it a second, and I actually published this. So what I need to do here, I need to click here, and here view published site, and this is the link to my bridge page, to my one-page website on Google Sites. As you can see how it looks. So all I have to do now is just copy this. So now when I have this landing page, when I have this bridge page, now I need to start driving traffic to this bridge page. And for that, I'm actually going to use Twitter. So what I need to do, I need to go on Twitter, and this is one of my Twitter pages. Now here I need to make a post. So for this purpose, I will simply say something like this. Okay, I will just copy this. Okay, Control C, go back on Twitter, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay. Now, of course, you will come up with better call to action for Twitter. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. Now, what you actually wish to do, you actually wish to upload a photo. So just click here, and this is the photo that I wish to use. Now, I actually, from my experience, when you upload a photo like this, and then add a link, that is actually giving me better results, because people need to click here on this image to expand to that image to see entire image, and then they will click on that link. But if I share a direct link, then I'm getting less clicks. But you can test that to see which will actually give better results to you. So now I need to add a link to my bridge page. So I will go back on Google Sites, Control C to copy this, and then go back on Twitter, and I'm going to paste that here, and I'm going to delete this home because I don't need it. And now what I need to do, all I have to do is just click here on tweet, and that's it. I made this tweet. So what I need to do next, I actually need to start promoting this tweet. I need to start getting people to actually give me retweets to reach as much as possible people in order to start sending as much as possible people to my bridge page. Okay, now in order to get as many retweets as we can, in order to reach as many people as we can, we are actually going to use a website called AdMeFast. Now I already talked about this website, but for some reason many people have actually problem with this website. It doesn't work for them because it seems that I actually didn't explain this well. So this time, please pay close attention because I'm going to explain this well. Now here on the left side, you can see all the ways that you can use to earn free credits. And you need to earn as many free credits as you can. 300, 500, 5,000, 10,000 free credits. And then you can exchange those free credits in order to get retweets. Now to do that, what you need to do, you need to click here on add. And then here you need to choose what you actually wish to do. So click here and let me just find, okay, I wish Twitter retweets, okay? Here I need to click on worldwide because I don't want worldwide. I wish a specific country. So click here, and here I will actually enter United Kingdom, because my offer, as we can see here, is eligible only in United Kingdom. So I only wish people from United Kingdom to promote my offer, my Twitter tweet, to give me retweets on Twitter, okay? So that is the one country. Here total clicks, leave it empty. Daily clicks, leave it empty. Here you can see CPC. That means how many credits you actually wish to give people in order to get retweets. Now for every retweet, I'm going to give them 25 credits. Now you can give them 10 credits if you want, 15, you can even give them 50 or 100, 2,000 credits if you wish for every retweet. Of course, the more credits you give, the more retweets you will actually get. That is really important. But now this is a really important part. So please pay close attention. Here I need to add my Twitter link, okay? And here you can see I actually need a Twitter ID. So what I need to do, I need to go back on Twitter and I need to click here on these 4 minutes, and this is my Twitter tweet. So I will simply copy this, okay? Control C, that is the link to my Twitter tweet. And then will go back on Add Me Fast, and I'm actually going to paste that here, and let me just make this larger so you can see this better, okay? And this is what I need to do. I actually need to delete all of this. I only need this number here because that is the ID of my Twitter tweet, okay? And that is really important because that is the only part that you need. You don't need entire link. You don't need this, just need this part here because that is the Twitter tweet ID. And all I have to do now is just, so let me just make this smaller, click here on Save Changes, and that's it. I will start a campaign on Add Me Fast. And what you need to do, you need to go every day here on Add Me Fast, and you need to earn free credits every day. And as long as you have credits, as you can see here, your campaign will run. And people will give you retweets. People from Great Britain, from United Kingdom, in this case, will give you retweets, and you will start getting more and more retweets, and you will start reaching more and more people people will click here to expand this image, and they will see your link to your bridge page, and they will start clicking on this Enter Now button in order to earn iPhone 14, okay? And every time they do that, every time they register and finish the survey, you will earn 82 cents. And like I said, it is free, it will cost you nothing, it will only cost you some time and some work. So this is how to promote CPA offers and how to get free traffic for CPA marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.